Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to offer shipping or receive payouts on Facebook Marketplace, you might need to verify your identity. This helps protect buyers and sellers and ensures secure transactions. So in this guide, I'll show you step by step how to verify your identity for Facebook Marketplace in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, what identity verification means. So verifying your identity allows you to receive payments to your bank, offer shipping to buyers, increase accounts credibility, and comply with payment regulations. So Facebook must confirm your legal identity. So first thing first, open the Facebook application and tap the menu or the three lines here. Okay, then tap go to settings and privacy here and tap settings. You can also access this from desktop. Scroll to payments. Okay, payments, and tap MetaPay, open payouts then, and if verification is required, you will see a prompt. Okay, start identity verification. To tap verify identity, enter your legal full name, enter dates of birth, enter address. Information must match your official ID. Okay, so double check for accuracy and take a clear picture of your ID. Upload front and back if requested. Accepted documents may include national ID card, passport, driver license. Okay, so ensure image is clear and readable. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.